So I'm just gonna watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. What's up, guys? Well, we back on the dock again with another one for you guys. This one, I'm trying to do my best to get right into it, but I do have to give you a little story. Guys, not too long ago, well, for me, I don't know about for you, when you wind up seeing this video, I just recently got into a truck accident on the road. It wasn't my fault. Or anything like that. It was like a 15-car collision, and I was included into it. Like I said, I didn't hurt anybody. Thank God nobody was hurt. As far as dying, me myself, I ended up getting hurt, but it was just a lot of bruising and everything like that. So I'm blessed to still be here, thank God. But with all of that being said, I'm okay, guys. But we're fast forwarding all of this to say why we are making, for the first time on the channel, mead.
No, the lie detector determined that was a lie.
And I don't like to be like everybody else, as you guys know. I like to do my own thing. I like to put my spin and twist on things. So I'm gonna kind of go up into the story of what happened. So I get picked up to come back home, and we end up stopping at this farmer's market. And it's kind of like a farmer's market in like a convenience store or something like that, like a gas store, but kind of give you like a Cracker Barrel feel. If you guys know what Cracker Barrel is, I'm pretty sure they're all around the country. I didn't see them about in every state, of course, because like I told you, I drive trucks. But anyway, I wind up going into the store, and I noticed that they had wine. Now, it wasn't your typical wine. It was actually fruit wines. Well, you know what I like to do. So I checked them out. They had different things. I believe they concentrate on citrus fruits. So it was lime, lemon, grapefruit, and they had a couple other ones. I'm not too sure. I'm just thinking off the head. And it was different ones of that nature, but one particular one happened to catch my eye. It said Ghostpear, and it looked like transparent, almost like I don't know what beverage I can describe it as. It kind of was transparent, but like a little hazy whiteness to it or whatever. So I'm trying to figure out Ghostpear. Where you get Ghostpear from? I never heard of that fruit. So, you know me, I had to do a little research. Come to find out, it's not actually a fruit by itself. It is what? Pear with ghost peppers. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to pick up a bottle and try it out, but like I said, due to everything that was going on, I didn't think I needed anything spicy in my life right then and there. Plus the medicine that I was on. But anyway, I just was like, I want to try that. So I figured, since these guys, and I believe, and I'm looking around because I thought maybe I had their business card, but I'll put it up in the video at the bottom somewhere or whatever, telling you the name of the actual fruit wine company that sells it. So if you would like to check it out, you know, stop by on their website. They actually do have a website, and check them out. Like I said, I'll make sure I put it in the description at the bottom, so you guys could give them a little business if you want to see what they're about. But anyways, that gave me inspiration to do this. But since your boy started getting into mead, I was like, I would like to give this one a try, but in a mead instead of a wine, since they already did the wine. And believe it or not, even though you guys don't know, like I said, I've been doing a few mead batches, different kind of meads. I'm trying to get some meads so I can get into competition and, you know, test out my skills and see where it goes. But
oh, the deception, the betrayal, man, you deceived me.
Like I said, I did a few different meads, Methylene, basic mead. I did a s'mores mead. Like I said, I've been on it. And if you guys also check out my Instagram, Dr. D.A.P Country Wines, it should pop up on the screen to show you where to go. And like I said, Dr. D.A.P Country Wines. Follow me, guys, because I'm going to give you behind the scenes content, show you some ideas that I might be thinking about or potential things that I'm working on, because not a lot of stuff I'm going to have on the channel. Even though I'm going to do a lot of stuff on the channel, everything is not going to be on the channel, guys. So getting right into it, what we'll be using for this recipe is going to be a variation of pears. I have up in here Borlette pears, I have red angel pears, regular angel pears, and Bosco pears. And I like to be different, so just like I said, this is just different pears that I wanted to put together and see if I can come up with a unique flavor profile. I'm using some of my Clover Blue Desert honey that I got from Arizona. When I stopped there, this is 1 out of 4 of the different Arizona honeys that I picked up, and the honey is excellent. I'm going with Clover because I know pear tend to have a light flavor, and I think altogether this is about 3 pounds of pear. And like I said, the Clover honey itself is light in flavor. So I'm going with the Clover honey, and we're using 3 pounds of honey. Like I said, whatever honey that you guys have, use it. You might want to try something light though, like a wildflower or clover, so that way it don't really overpower the pears. But that's what we're using as far as the honey. Now, guys, I'm in Texas, so it's not too hard to find peppers, and there's a lot of peppers around here, but I don't know if I didn't run into the ones that I was looking for. I found all different kind of peppers, but I couldn't find ghost peppers for whatever reason, but whatever. I went online, Amazon, and it's this company called Wicked Tickle, and they have ghost peppers, and in the pack, they have like 10 or 12 dry ghost peppers. We're using 1, only 1, because I'm gonna let that sit through the whole fermentation all the way into about to put it in secondary. I want to let this sit up in the gallon carboy for about 1 month. That's all I want, is 1 month, and I'm pretty sure it's going to come out really spicy. But we go see, you know. As like I said, we just having fun. This is also considered a capsule meal. It can also be in the form of a melomel and slash Perry, you know, because you have all of these items working together, but tomato, to each his own. Like I said, you know, I experiment, so whatever you want to call it. Also guys, we're putting raisins up in here. It's 3 things that I know from experience, and also using pears when you're making wine, raisins and bananas help add body to your wine without overpowering the flavor, since they tend to have like a, you know, less of a flavor in a sense, but they do provide body. They provide that viscosity. So I'm pretty sure this all together is going to add a nice viscosity to your wine to have that nice mouthfeel. Now, since we're going to have those ghost peppers up in there, I don't know if we really want it lingering on our tongue that long, but it's going to be fire. But like I said, we're going with that. We have our gallon of water. We have our tea for the tannin, of course. We don't need the acid because I believe, I'm not too sure, but like I tell you guys all the time, do your research, that honey has some acidic acid in it. So, or acid, whatever you want to say, in the honey. So we shouldn't have to worry too much about that. So that's why you see, don't see a lot of people when they do a mead, they add any citrus acid, or if you're going natural, lemon juice or anything like that, because it already has it in there. And guys, just like I said, it's also, well, I'm sorry. Also, we have our 71B yeast. That's what we're going to be using for this one. I'm trying to shoot for an ABV of 13%. Like I said, you can check out other videos on how to get that and how to get the percent you want, but it's basically around a table wine, a normal table wine, not too desserty or whatever, have a nice semi-sweet taste to it. And also I might start it off high. I'm not sure. Like I say, this is all experimental, but I'll let you guys know what I do. So if you want to follow along, you can do the same thing. But I'm introducing 3 new things to the channel as far as chemicals. And yeah, I know I said I was going to be natural. Guys, I just started getting into mead. I'm doing the same thing like I did with wine. I know it might be other processes that I can use, but I kind of want to stick to what I know as far as let me get this down, as far as knowing how to put everything together. And as I get better and better at it and figure out what I can substitute, what I can put in, what I can change up, I'll wind up doing that. I already know for a few other channels, they don't use all this and they say everything turns out pretty well with the chemicals or the things in the sense that I'm about to tell you, but that's why I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to give you maybe the description on the video itself of what it says on each thing, or if not, I'm going to put it down in the description below, so check it out. You'll find out either which way. We have right here D.A.P. D.A.P is, like I said, a chemical that they help use to give nitrogen to your mixture, which helps feed the yeast and help the yeast not to be stressed, so it can give you those off flavors, that sulfur scent, the high phenols or whatever. And I'm sorry if I'm not saying it right. I'm thinking ahead because I do everything off the head. That's why in most of the videos you hear me say because I'm kind of thinking at the same time. Or whatever, and that's what that helps with. Right here, right here we have Fermaid O. Fermaid O is a more natural version or organic version of Fermaid K. Fermaid K actually has this in there, a small amount, but once again, it's up to you guys what you want to do. It's your choice how you want to make your stuff. You can do whatever you want to do. I'm probably going to end up using the Fermaid O I had took it out as original pack because I already opened it. My Fermaid K is not opened. I haven't used it yet, but my Fermaid O I have. And like I said, I use this because it's more organic and it don't contain the chemical DAP. It actually has some form of that in there, but organically. So that's why I'm using this. But I'm gonna go through the video, normal steps. Like I said, if you guys want me to actually walk you through everything, meaning when I get back here on the stove and cut my fruit up, or, you know, chop this up and pour the honey to get more beautiful views for all of my beautiful subscribers and family, friends, and all the new people coming to the channel, just tell me, you know, it's no problem. I just put pictures because I want to try to make it quick and short as possible and sweet. But anyway, like I said, I've been rambling on enough. We'll get right into this process. Thank you.
And that's what I call high quality H2O.